Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to clear terminal messages in Visual Studio Code. So for us to be able to begin, you'll just need to make sure that you have launched already the Visual Studio Code onto your system. And as you can see, we're currently in already. And let's just open the terminal to go ahead and try to clear that. So to open the terminal, click onto the three dots here onto the upper part, click onto terminal again, and click onto new terminal. So as you can see, we have started a new terminal in here and there are no messages for that. Let's just type in different things in here so that it should show an error. So let's just wait for this one or this one. And as you can see, we have an error onto our terminal in here. Now, if you want to go ahead and try to clear this, what you'll just need to simply do is just type in clear and it should go ahead and remove all of the messages that it has onto your terminal. So let's try out onto the other terminals that I have in here. Like for example, this one, I have installed something and then let's try to clear this one out. Just type in clear and it should remove all of the terminal messages. So that is just basically it on how you clear terminal messages in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.